Okay guys, this is going to be an installation guide for a 9-ball recoil spring guide set, the long type here, for a Tokyo Marui 1911 government model or MEU edition. This is the MEU version here. So it's a standard field strip breakdown, quick safety check, magazine out, no BB chambered, gun safe. It's a regular breakdown. If you don't know how to do this, I suggest you check out a video on that because it is a little bit tricky. That comes out just like that, so that comes off. Okay, now we're inside. So what you see here is the original spring guide with spring. You can take off the spring guide like this. It comes out, put that to the side, and then the spring comes away as well. Now, you have to take out this piece here, which pops out there and then slides out into the main gun like this. Okay, and that's it for the breakdown. Now, the actual guide itself, it's quite nice. It's stainless steel. I bought it on WGC Shop, which is a Hong Kong manufacturer. Came in the post this morning. I would warn, because it was from Hong Kong, I did have to pay about €25 in taxes when it got to the door, so that was a bit of a stinger. But anyway, comes in quite nice packaging, very secure, and this is the actual spring guide itself. Now, it's in 4 pieces as against the original, which was in 3. It has this top piece, the spring itself, and then the actual guide rod is in 2 parts that screw apart like this. So that's if you just want to use the short half, you can do that on its own, that works fine. But if you want the long style, you screw this on. I don't know if you can quite see, but it's incredibly high quality. I was surprised. It's got little bearings in there and everything, really high quality, nice little piece. So for the installation, you take this part. It's almost exactly the same as the original, except it's in silver and it is hollow, as you can see there. So that slides up inside the gun like this, popping out the front. Then you take this part, insert it into the spring like so, guide the spring down inside this area, and then kind of bunch the whole spring up so that this slots down on there. So that's in like that. And this is a slightly tricky part because you now have to screw this on from the outside. So I found the easiest way to do it is just push it up through like this and begin to screw it on. Because it's going to be flush with the end here, you won't be able to go all the way. So once you can't go any further, just push the whole thing out a little bit and give it the last couple of turns. Like so. And that's essentially it. You then put the gun back together like this. And that's it. And so you've got the spring guide comes out the front like that. The whole gun looks pretty badass. When your ammo is empty, it locks back in this position, exposing the spring guide, like a real 1911, which is pretty nice. Looks a bit out of place, I guess, the silver spring guide with the entirely black gun, but I will be shortly installing a stainless steel barrel as well, so it'll match it a bit better. And that's it. Thanks for watching.